Hello, welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week we are doing the Brickheadz number 199. Alex from Minecraft. This is set number 40624. This set only comes with 86 pieces. So although I could say it's going to be a quick build, and it will be compared to the more recent sets which have been twin packs, I get the feeling this is going to have lots of little pieces in there, so it may not be as quick as what one may think. So I do like what Lego have done with the Minecraft sets, and I think Lego lends itself to be able to depict Minecraft very well. And so I think the next couple of sets, which is 199, set number 200 and 201, are all Minecraft. And I think they've done a really good job with them. So here we can see on the back here we've got the llama, which is set number 200, and we have zombie, which is set number 201. So that's what we will do over the next period of time. So it's time to get into Alex. So speed build as normal, come back for the review and go from there. I'll just point out here, it looks like this could be one piece. Maybe that's a printed piece, not individual pieces. That's what I'm going to guess it is. So, all right, maybe not as many individual pieces as I first thought. So, time to find out. Welcome back. Here we have the final product of set number 40624, Minecraft's Alex, number 199 in the Lego collection set. So what we have here is not a very favorable review. This was a pretty boring set to do. Very typical Brickheadz, straightforward, nothing fancy about it. Nothing to really highlight. This piece here was a printed piece, not a sticker. But what I think that led to is less enjoyment to actually do something with Lego pieces that you don't often get a chance to, like those half brick pieces. I think they could have been used within this. Maybe, I'm really not sure, but this was underwhelming. Probably the first negative review of a Brickhead set that I've ever done, and there's nothing wrong with it. There's just nothing to get excited about. It's pretty plain in terms of building it and its outcome. Probably if it was done early in when I started doing Brickheadz, I would think differently about it, but it is your very typical Brickhead build and not much else to it. So not much positive to say. It only took 8 minutes to build, which is probably reflected in the timeline of the speed build there. It would have gone very quickly. So yeah, not much more to say about this, but probably my least favorite build to date. So we'll leave it at there. Hopefully the next one that we do is set number 200, llama. It will be much more interesting. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, bye for now.